This is a relatively new design for masks, and it is not 100% guarantee that it will protect from the coronavirus, but it is a lot better protection from nothing. If you don't have an N95 mask, then this is a good replacement for a homemade mask, but wear N95s if owned over anything. Use at your own risk. You need 2 different sets of paper to trace the fabric out of. This piece is 12 by 8 inches, and you need to cut 2 individual pieces of cloth for each mask. The smaller piece is 5 by 8 inches, and you also need to cut 2 individual pieces of cloth for each mask. Make sure there are no holes in the area that you cut from the jeans. Also, wash jeans before you make the masks. These are washed. Handkerchief cloth is the material being used here. We are going to sew along this rim. Sewing needle is 1/4 of an inch. Sew along the rim of the section as well. Due to the thickness of the seam, cuts like this can be made to lessen that. Curves better as well. We are going to have this piece of cloth as raw edges, sewing in a zigzag pattern. Just fold the piece like shown for the raw edge. The next step is to sew the 2 pieces of clothing together, eventually going to turn it inside out a bit later. Flip the edges of the jean cloth in half, going to sew the edges together. Here is when we turn it inside out. This clothing is second best by this brand to use as filtration, works just as well. The elastic band should be 7 inches in length. Tuck the elastic band within the jeans, just like what is being shown. This will be sewn together by 1/116th inch needle to be able to get through the thickness of the cloth. Fold the Scotch shop material in half and cut it in the shape. Then shove the material between the jeans and handkerchief.